The stand that is included with the Samsung Odyssey G3 is really bulky. So if you guys would like to know how to mount this monitor into a Vesa mount like this, so it can look really stylish, make sure to watch this video to the end and subscribe for more content of the Samsung Odyssey G3. I will be starting this tutorial by showing you guys how to remove the already included stand off of this monitor. Now please remember guys, I won't talk throughout the whole tutorial because I believe this is better to just show you guys how to unlock the stand. So if you guys can see at the back over here, there's a simple clip over here. So you're gonna click that up there. Till you hear a click, you're gonna try to slide the monitor up over there until you hear a click. So yeah, right there you guys could hear a click, then you just gently remove it and that's about it. As you guys can see, my desk looks a lot better. There's a lot more space. So I would absolutely recommend you guys get a Vesa mount for the Samsung Odyssey G3 because the included mount is just really bulky and you really need a big desk. But this looks really clean. This is how it looked before and this is how it looked after the new change, and I think it looks great guys. But if you guys are interested in the full review of 2 years for this monitor, make sure to go check out this video on the right side corner and remember to subscribe. See you guys in the next one.